Hi everyone, this is Mohammed Kamal, a ServiceNow star developer, and today I'm coming with a new episodes of ServiceNow where we can build an application from the scratch. So today I'm gonna go through what are the topics or uh, different sections we're going through this journey. So the first thing we're going to start creating an applications, and I'll show you how to create an application. We're going to define data models. How can we define data models in ServiceNow? And we will also configure the user interface, making that data model um, good for the users, and we can configure. I'll show you how to configure the user interface, and also importing any data that you have, like any legacy data that you have, and making the form dynamic. All those are gonna be in section 1, episode 1, and then with the next episode we'll go through making that application to work. That means we can add like filters on it, filter navigation. We can add any response for the users, like if there is any invalid data request or request for an approval. All those kind of some other things also will be done in the next episode. In the third episode we will look making that the user experience to higher level by adding like some notifications, building a report, showing you how to build a report, adding some buttons, and also adding this all to a service portal, which is very important, especially for unlicensed users. We need to have we don't want people to go to the backend, so we want to keep them to the portal. So I'll show you how to develop a portal. So that is gonna be like a huge deep and deep, especially developing a portal. That's another thing. Hopefully will come up from episode 1, 2, and 3, and also the portal development. So again, this is Mohammed Kamal. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. I'm a ServiceNow developer. Hopefully we'll continue with the next episode. Until we see each other, have a great day. Bye.